Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So I am again come back here with the new series of Power BI visualizations. So with the help of this visualization series guys, we will learn how we can effectively use of visuals in Power BI report. Which visual is most efficient for what kind of data set. And we will also cover each and every visual with the help of this playlist. And you will also get to know about some custom visuals which is not a part of Power BI desktop. But we can take these visuals from the marketplace. So we will study more visuals with the help of this playlist. So let's start the class guys. So our first visual name is stacked bar chart. So guys, firstly I will give you brief about this stacked bar chart. So this chart is really useful when we have multiple dimension with a single measure. Here multiple dimension means when we have more than one column. And we want to see the sales of more than two columns in one graph. So firstly look at the dataset guys. So let me go here in data view. And let's suppose guys, here we want to visualize the things with product wise and country wise. And I will also take one measurable value. It could be sales or cost. So that's what I said guys. We take multiple dimension and single measurable value. So let's go to the practical page. So here is our first visual guys, which name is stacked bar chart. So let me double click on this visual and let me expand this visual. And here guys, you can look at the parameters. Y-axis, X-axis, let me scroll it down, legends, small multiples and tooltips. Firstly I will talk about starting three parameter, which is Y-axis, X-axis and legends. And after that guys, we will also talk about this small multiples and tooltips. So we have to select two column name here first. So I want to see country and product wise sales. So what I do here guys, let me expand this table first. And I will take country column here in Y-axis. So this left side is known as Y-axis guys, which we have already studied in school days. And now I will take X-axis. So under X-axis guys, I will take the measurable value, which is sales. So I will simply select this sales column and drag and drop it into X-axis. Our graph has ready. But we want to add one more column, which is product. So let me scroll it down. And under legend parameter guys, I will take this product. So here we guys can see our graph is ready with country, product and sales. And now firstly I will introduce few terminologies about this graph. So here you guys can see these products, which is bread, butter, cake and milk. And these products I have taken under here in legend parameter. So these are known as legends. And now let's talk about some color combination. So firstly I will change the theme of this Power BI desktop. Let's say blue. So in the legend section guys, you can easily identify this sky blue color is representing bread. This dark blue color representing butter. This orange color represent cake. And this purple color represent milk. And in the Y-axis guys, you guys can see the countries. So here you guys can see the products and here are the countries. And let's suppose guys, if I hover my mouse here under this sky blue color, so it expanding the detail information. So it is clearly saying that in China country we have sold bread, which the sum of sales is 85500. So in this way guys, you guys can check any of the product or any of the country. Let's suppose this time I will check this orange color. So this orange color represent cake. So the total sales of cake is 37900, which is in China. So if you want to check the sales of other country, so you need to simply hover your mouse here in other countries. So in USA guys, cake has sold out 37652. So this chart is really useful guys when we have multiple dimension with single measure. And now let's talk about some other features about this graph. And now let's talk about another features of visualization. So let me scroll it down. And here you guys can see we have one more parameter which name is small multiples. Let's suppose guys, if you want to further segregate this graph, so you can use this small multiples. You simply need to drag this country column here and drag and drop it into small multiples. So here you guys can see this graph has further segregated. So as we know guys, we have 5 countries: China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka and USA. So if you want to segregate this graph guys, you guys can use this feature which name is small multiple. This feature is really useful guys to get the better picture of your visuals. On the basis of this small multiple guys, you guys can segregate each and every country. And now let me remove this field from here. And let's suppose guys, if I hover my mouse here, so here you guys can see the expand information, which is country, brand and sales. This portion is known as Tooltip. So right now you guys can see we have only country, product and sum of sales. Let's suppose we also want to see the expand information of regions. So what we need to do guys, we simply need to take this column name which is regions and drag and drop here into Tooltip. And now you are hovering your mouse here, so here you guys can see it will also displaying the regions which is west. So in this way guys, you guys can use this tooltip if you want to see the expand information about your report. And now let's talk about the basic formatting of visuals. So firstly you need to select this visual from here and select formatting your visual. Once you click it guys, so here you guys can see the visual and general. So firstly I will talk about this general. So this is the general setting guys for each and every visual. And this visual setting is depend on the visual to visual. So firstly we will talk about this general. So under general guys, we have an option of properties. So let me expand this. So with the help of these properties guys, you guys can increase or decrease the size of the visual. Let's suppose let me convert into 250. So here you guys can see the height of the visual converted into 250. And if you want to expand the width of this visual, so you need to simply write any number. So in this way guys, you can resize with your visual. But mostly guys, we will not use these properties. We can easily resize or increase the size of your width and height. But we should know about it. And now let's talk about this another feature which is title. So here you guys can see the title which is sum of sales, first region by countries and product. So if you want to turn off the title guys, you guys can simply turn off from here. Once you click this toggle button, so you guys can see our title has gone. But if you want to add the title, so you need to simply toggle on this button. And you can also rename the title from here. Just remove it and you can enter any of the title here. Let's say country and product sale. And if you want to see the alignment, so here you guys can simply change the alignment from here. And from here guys, you can also change the font style. You can also increase or decrease the size of your title. And you can also play with this formatting part. Like you can change the color. So you simply need to click here and change the color from here. So if you want to also change the background color of this title, so you simply need to click here and change the background from here. So I hope guys now you are clear with this basic formatting part. And now let's talk about this effect. So if you understand this feature guys, so let me copy this visual first. And paste it here. So here you guys can see the bar chart background is white. Now let me go to the general and go to effect. And from here guys, you guys can turn off the background. So in this way guys, you can also turn off the background. So let me turn it on. And from here guys, you can also play with the colors. Let's say orange. So the background of your visual is orange. And from here guys, you can also increase or decrease the transparency. So this is the basic formatting part which I have already covered in Power BI full course tutorial. You guys can go there and watch full playlist. And from here guys, you can also visual the borders or put it shadow here. So you guys need to explore this feature yourself. And now let's go back to our practical page. So I hope guys now you are clear with the basic formatting part of general. And now let's talk about this visualization formatting. So as I said guys, every visual has different formatting. Let's first talk about this Y-axis. So under Y-axis guys, we have these countries. If you want to turn it off, you can simply turn it off from here. And if you want to play with the colors and other parts, so you guys can do that. This is same like other visuals. You can also play with the colors. Here are the bar section guys, and from here guys, you can change the color of any of the visual. So I hope guys now you are clear with this formatting part of visuals. So you need to explore yourself about other formatting part. And this is the legend guys, and you can also play with this legend part. So you need to expand this legend button, and you can also change the text size or increase, decrease, or even you can change the color from here. So you guys can explore more about this formatting. So I hope guys now you have definitely enjoyed this video and learned more about Power BI. So for such kind of learning, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And share this channel with your friend, family and your colleagues. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under these 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And we also have separate playlist of DAX functions, where you guys can learn all the DAX functions from scratch. And we have one more playlist guys, which name is updates. So whatever the updates is coming, you will find here in this playlist. So stay connected with us for more learning about Power BI, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by interviewers. So you don't need to spend any money for jobs and trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.